Hello everyone, I am Rajeshri Pusti. Today I am going to tell about shear force and bending moment. Here we have a problem to sort it out. Before going to solve this problem, we have to know about the beam, types of beam, shear force and bending moment. First of all, beam. What is beam? A structural member which is kept horizontally and a force is applied to its axis. Then it is called beam. Then types of beam. One is cantilever beam, second one is fixed beam, third one is simply supported beam, fourth one is overhanging beam, and last one is continuous beam. Then we have to know about the shear force and bending moment. What is shear force? The algebraic sum of vertical force of any section of beam to the right or left of the section is known as shear force. Then we have to know about what is bending moment. It is also the algebraic sum of all the moment, all the forces, moment of all the forces acting to the right or left of the section is known as bending moment. Here we know about the shear force and bending moment. Then the types of load. There are three types of load. One is point load, second one is uniformly distributed load, and third one is variant load. Here we know about the bending moment, shear force and types of load. We have to solve this problem. Then first we have to calculate the shear force of this cantilever beam. The shear force at D is 800 Newton and the shear force at C is 800 plus 500 Newton. That is 1300 Newton. Then we have to calculate the shear force at B. Shear force at B is 800 plus 500 plus 1300. That is equal to 1600 Newton. Here I take downward forces is positive and upward forces is negative. Then we have to calculate the bending moment. Here there is no moment at the end of the beam. So bending moment at T is equal to 0. Bending moment at C is equal to 800 into 0.8. 800 Newton into 0.8, that is minus 640 Newton meter. Here I take the clockwise moment is positive and anti-clockwise moment is negative. Then we have to calculate bending moment at B. Bending moment at B is equal to minus 800 Newton into 1.5 and minus 500 into 0.7, that is minus 1550 Newton meter. And last one, bending moment at A, minus 800 into 2 minus 500 into 1.2 and minus 300 into 0.5, that is equal to minus 2350 Newton meter. We got the shear force and bending moment values. Then we have to draw the shear force and bending moment diagram. First, we have to draw the cantilever beam and the point load acting on it. And the third one is 800. This one is our shear force diagram. Here we got all the values is positive. Then we have to calculate the bending moment diagram. Here we solve this problem. Thank you.